Satnam Yogi. Today we're going to work on a meditation which is very important to keep in mind and practice if you have experienced sudden shock or some stressful situation has happened. This is not just general stress, this is if something really has hit you and you feel in a shock state. The meditation is not very difficult. We're going to do it together with a specific mantra. But just try your best to do as much as you can. Don't push yourself too hard or panic if you can't do something. We're going to use a breath and a mantra, and if it's impossible for you to do it for the whole length, you shorten it. The important thing here is that you stay within and contain that energy so we can balance. We're going to work on the left hemisphere of the brain, which also interacts with the base of the right hemisphere, and that's very good to maintain the nerves balanced instead of getting shattered under stressful situation. It's a very important meditation and it will serve you very well, so let's give it a go. So let's first tune in, rubbing the hands together, placing them at the sternum. Inhale. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale. Make an offering to stay tranquil for the rest of the practice today. So we're going to bring the forearms close to the body, and you're going to turn them so that the right palm, so the right hand rests on the left hand. The thumbs are going to be touching, and you're going to turn them towards the body, so as much as you can back. And you're going to rest this mudra about 1 millimeter up from the navel. Body is relaxed. The eyes are going to be focused at the tip of the nose, so slightly open, and you cross them at the tip of the nose. So if you think about it, it's an extension somewhere here. And it can be very blurry in the beginning. You may have double vision. Don't worry, we all have this. With practice, the nerve lock is very important so that we can force the mind to stop going wild and come to the now, to the here. So holding this mudra, right on top of left, thumbs are touching. Resting this 1 centimeter away from the body. Eyes slightly open, focus on the tip of the nose. And we're gonna breathe long and deep on the inhale. On the exhale, we're gonna chant Satnam, 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 Waheguru. And we're gonna repeat this 3 times in 1 breath out. It can be challenging if you've never done this before, so please don't panic. You can do it 1 turn per breath. You can try twice the mantra per breath. And if you feel like it's natural and comes easy for you, come with me and join me, and we're going to repeat this 3 times on the exhale. It's an enjoyable mantra, so just go with the energy and let's have a try. Inhale. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Inhale. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Satnam 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 Waheguru. Satnam, 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 Waheguru. Inhale. Exhale, relax the hands. Close the eyes. Just breathe normally through the nose. And now come back, open the eyes, just open the neck, float the shoulders. And when ready, let's tune out, rubbing the hands together, placing them at the sternum, and inhale. And exhale. Inhale to begin. Sat-nam. 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 I hope you've enjoyed and felt the power of this meditation to really hold us in a moment of pain or fear or shock. And we all experience this, and we all go through different moments in life. So it's important to know what to do and how to take us out of this state, or at least alleviate some of the shock. Satnam, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.